According to the Texas Tribune newspaper, the lawyers representing the detainees claimed that the Galveston District Monetary Union System discriminated against less fortunate defendants. Texas ACLU, which represents the interests of detainees in Galveston County, said in a statement made after the order that Galveston was the first U.S. court to find that the Sixth Amendment, which guarantees the right to counsel, also requires the presence of a defense attorney at the first bail hearing. U.S. District Judge David Godbey said the district should put an end to the practice of bail for a predetermined period of time, which means that poor defendants will have to remain in prison for a few days or weeks if the richer ones are released. Galveston was ordered to change his rules this month when a federal judge said that defendants should attend bail hearings for bad defendants. Last year, a federal judge ruled that bail in Dallas County regularly violated the constitutional rights of prisoners. Galveston was the third district in Texas to pass a federal verdict for its bail-mongering practice. Galveston changed his own bail practice following the decision of the Dallas and Harris District courts. Bail systems in Dallas and Harris County were declared unconstitutional by the federal court. The guarantor now receives the financial information that the defendant provided before his first appearance in court. The controversial system of money registration in Texas has been undermined by a number of recent court decisions. The sheriff automatically accepts the deposit on time, regardless of the personal funds of Booth. It is a bail hearing to determine the conditions under which a detainee can be released for his trial. He spent 54 days in prison before being released on his bail. The panel noted that the prosecutor had recommended the payment of bail of $20,000. Federal judges have criticized the practice whereby access to the accused's money determines whether or not he or she will be released from prison. Texas was not the only country that had changed its banking practices.